Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more contents and new videos. Thank you.
Maqsooda Bibi's cat and the hidden secret. In a quiet town where narrow streets whispered old memories, lived an elderly woman named Maqsooda Bibi. Her house stood at the edge of the town, painted in faded blue, with a neem tree guarding the courtyard like a silent friend. People respected Maqsooda Bibi, but they also wondered about her. She spoke little, observed much, and carried a peaceful mystery in her eyes. But the most unusual thing about her was her cat. The cat's name was Noori. She was gray and white, with glowing amber eyes that looked deeper than the sky at dusk. Noori moved softly, never rushed, never careless, as if every step was measured with wisdom. Maqsooda Bibi, gentle, elderly female voice. "Come here, Noori, sit quietly, my child." Every evening after ASR prayer, Maqsooda Bibi sat in her courtyard, counting her tasbih, while Noori rested beside her feet. Neighbors noticed something strange. Whenever Maqsooda Bibi lost something, Noori would guide her straight to it. Neighbor woman, curious tone. "How does your cat always know where things are?" Maqsooda Bibi, soft smile and voice. "Allah gives wisdom to whom He wills." Children often gathered outside her gate, hoping to see Noori. Among them was a boy named Hamza, curious and brave, with eyes full of questions. One night, when the moon hung low and silver, Hamza saw Noori quietly slipping out of the house. "Hamza," whispering, curious child voice. "Where are you going, Noori?" Keeping his distance, Hamza followed her to an abandoned well hidden behind wild bushes. Noori circled the well slowly and stared into its dark depth. Suddenly, a calm voice broke the silence. Maqsooda Bibi, firm but kind. "Hamza Beta, some paths should only be followed when the time is right." Hamza, nervous, respectful.
"I'm sorry, Bibi.
"I was just curious." Maqsooda Bibi, slow, thoughtful. "Because some souls are chosen to guard trust, Hamza, even if they cannot speak." Maqsooda Bibi shared her secret. Long ago, her husband had protected a treasure meant for the poor. Before he passed away, he entrusted the secret to her and somehow, to Noori. Hamza, soft whisper. "Is the treasure near the well?" Maqsooda Bibi, wisdom in voice. "Secrets are not for power, Beta. They are for responsibility." Soon after, a terrible storm struck the town. Homes flooded. Families cried for help. That night, Noori paced restlessly.
Maqsooda Bibi, urgent, prayerful.
"It's time, Noori." Guided by Noori, Maqsooda Bibi, Hamza, and town elders reached the well. Hidden beneath a stone slab lay an iron box filled with gold and documents. Elder, amazed. This was meant for today. The treasure was used to rebuild homes, feed families, and send children back to school. Not a single coin was misused. Maqsooda Bibi, whispering, emotional. "You kept your trust, my dear friend." Noori was buried under the neem tree. The tree grew taller, its shade wider, and the town learned a lesson they would never forget. Moral of story: even the smallest creatures can carry the greatest responsibilities. True secrets are not hidden for wealth, but protected for honesty. And trust, once kept sincerely, becomes a light for generations.